Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And inside today's video, as you know, tier 20, 30 and 50 weapons gameplay I will be showing today. The MSMC Wild West, Heatstroke skins and the AK Mention Bandit. Really good skins. The Heatstroke skins, in my opinion, they are the best animated skin. They are better than the cyberspace. They're better than the Cosmos. I don't know why, but because it has so much, faster animation. They have really slow animation, and the Glacier skins also have animation, but they have really slow animations. So it's really hard to see. Well, you can even stand and see the, move while seeing the animation. So whatever. This is the LK24. LK24. I'm telling you right now. This gun is a beast. I don't know what to say, but this gun is really good. It's so underrated. It is so strong. It has absolutely no recoil within foregrip. Put a foregrip, extended mag, and then quick draw. Boom, and you can even kill 5 whole enemy with the LK24. It's really good. I'm telling you right now, guys. Try the LK24, and also I will be showing you the gameplay of the Annihilator. But the LK, oh my gosh, dude, that gun is overpowered. I'm telling you right now, that gun is awesome. It is really good. That gun is really good. Okay, so we are about to get a nuke. Oh, are you kidding me? Stupid guy. Can't even let me get a nuke. Ecog Locus. So guys, let's get into game number 2, and it's on Rust with I'm using M4 MG, and I don't know why, but M4 MG is a really fun gun to use. It's capture the flag, sorry, or rapid fire on which game mode it is. Yeah, it is capture the rapid fire. Wait for it to heal, and booyah. This gun is really good. I don't know, but it is such a fun gun to use. It's not that good, but in the medium to the long ranges, it's really good. It has low recoil. Put a foregrip. Oh bro, what? Put a foregrip, one Nitro and the FMJ, yeah. And you are ready to go. Really good. Everything is good. Also, what? That was a triple? That was a collide. I didn't even saw the last person. Whatever. So, guys, also I forgot to show the gameplay of Annihilator last game. He's trying to go for that nuke. He's using an RPD, I guess. Okay, war mission spam. Bro, I need to take that down. Bro, are you kidding me? Purple. Let's take the Annihilator out. Let's see where are the enemies. Okay, one is here. Okay, so it will lock on and you have to aim there. It is a definitely one shot. See, he ran, so it was locked on, but he ran, so I couldn't. See, this is the only problem of the Annihilator, but it's really fun. Okay, so yeah, I also read, he also read. It's a win-win. So let's see, let's call him that UAV.
Friendly Shock RC is coming. UAV online.
I'm just gonna stare at the map for a second.
Destroyed.
There we go. Okay, so no one cares. I don't know why, but the VTOL takes more than 5,000 points to get a VTOL. Okay, I died to a Predator missile. Yay!
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV
Let's call in that counter.
Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Be advised, hostile stealth chopper inbound. Counter
I'm calling
UAV
the
up.
Not good enough. Okay, he's dead. Bro, 3 players, are you kidding me? Behind and back, everywhere the players were.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
He's shooting down the UAV.
UAV
Or
recon.
the strike or whatever. Okay, so, dead, yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. And so, let's see, the match is also about to end in some time. Are you kidding me? Okay, so
spotted.
one player, I think. Just bro, that was really laggy.
Recon
It's a
standing
bot.
by.
It's a bot. Okay, okay.
Recon standing by.
So guys,
Contact control
I was
point.
thinking about making
Inbound.
one.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Okay, I died to a
Ready to
hunter
jam
killer.
enemy
Yay.
UAV.
What's more?
Objective
What is
loss
next?
complete.
Purifier, war
Counter
machine,
UAV
trip
up.
mine. What's next?
Deploying. Hostile stealth
Okay,
chopper
so
inbound.
I'm talking
UAV
about BR
online.
right now. I
UAV
just killed
online.
two squads alone. I don't know how come I did that. I was trying to play like the pro players
Heads up.
type.
Enemy
They land
UAV
to a
spotted.
hot drop location. I dropped on countdown and killed the
Enemy
whole
UAV
squad.
spotted.
I'm also saying one thing.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
Use the defender
Hostile care
class.
package
This
inbound.
may
Ready to
surprise
jam enemy
every one of you.
UAV.
Not even some of you. Use the defender class. I will tell you why. So here's the AK-17 Bandit. Not okay. It's an okay skin. The match has already started. Okay, so I'm not using a extended mag. I'm using foregrip, FMJ, and quick draw. So I was telling that why defender is really good. Many of you think that defenders are really bad class. What can you do? So I'm telling you the users right now. You can blind a person and kill him without even hurting yourself. I'm not kidding. I killed the whole squad by just shielding them. I killed the first person, I shielded because then the blind that player gets blinded for is way too much. It's like 3 or 4 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds. You may think that it's really less, it's only 2 or 3 seconds. What's gonna happen? Bro, I died from behind. What's gonna happen? But everything, many things can happen. If a player is right in front of you, you put a shield, he's blind, you kill him. How can you? Bro, that guy just shooted himself. That was funny. Okay, so let's see if we can shoot down a stealth chopper. No, it does not lock on. Wait, one enemy. Let me see. Okay, okay. No coming. Let's see if I can. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I have to just wait. Okay, dead. Yeah. So it blinds itself like a mega flashbang. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a mega flashbang. Okay, I'm dead from behind. No, I'm not. It's like a mega flashbang. Also, what? So I killed the whole squad by just shielding them. One player came. Bro, what is he doing there? I just shielded him. He got blind. I killed him. His second teammate came, blinded him, killed him. And I killed the whole squad and revived my teammates. I got more than 4. I got 4 kills there. And then when I went to kill house with like the YouTubers, the pro players, they all what they do for getting more kills, they visit every place that they can before striking before the zone fully covers the whole area. Just take the enough loot and just run to places like kill house where people drop and start killing them. So I went to kill house because my teammate also was there. So there was a full whole freshly made squad there. So the two players were hiding in that warehouse thingy, and I killed them. But my teammate stole my kill. One of the kills. Oh yeah. Then one person was there shooting and suppressed AK. I was not able to shoot because it was not penetrating it. AK-117. Okay, so that was a really good part. He was running and shooting and running and shooting. Really difficult. Bro, I just ran into the enemy. Bro, good job. So after that I again shielded him and I killed him. This only happens. Shield him, blind, kill. That's why I like the defender so much. The only thing that can beat is the mechanic. Scout is not that of a great thing. It just tells you where the enemies are. Mechanic can also tell you, but mechanic can also blind those people or create a hologram. Hey,
Capture
what's
the
up? So,
objectives.
guys, I saved the best for the last, and it's the MSMC
Enemy
one.
taking
Yes,
Alpha.
this skin is absolutely fire.
Bravo.
Its inside
Enemy
is so
has
clean.
Alpha.
I don't know what to say.
We captured B.
It's really good. It's really, really good. I'm not joking.
Capturing C.
It's
UAV recon standing
a, a
by.
really
Repeat,
good gun.
UAV recon
I
is
use
standing by.
what do
Capturing
you say
C.
that? MSMC in the RTX 50 combo for the first time in BR because I couldn't find any guns, and I was landed a killer, and every person in that game was dropping at kill. Dropping at kill matlab, when the zone strike, everyone was at kill out around that area. My team was killing each one another squad, and it was really absolutely amazing. Like I was sniping and sniping and sniping, then somebody came to kill him with the MSMC Wild West. This was only happening.
All positions locked down.
The only problem with the MSMC that was really laggy. The only problem with the MSMC in BR that it is really low map, only of 20 bullets. Its recoil is so you cannot budge to miss any shots because its recoil is so first of all its recoil is this gun kicks a lot. Second of all, its fire rate is really fast, the highest fire rate in the game. So you have to hit most of your shots or you bro. That guy was doing the same thing I always do. The satisfying jump. And I'll see you in the next round. So guys, the second round has begun and I have a UAV ready up. Okay, so I will kill these guys. Bro, what? That was my kill. That was again my kills. That kill steal. I have to get near more. Bro, the game is lagging. I don't know why. Also, it's the reload animation is so good. See, I will okay. See, there's some kind of a sparky thing or whatever you wanna call it. But it's really I again died to. What are you kidding me? Wait, let me call in the counter, bro. See, there's the design on the Mang is also really good. My kill. You weren't taking any one of my kills. Bro, what that guy is doing even there? Okay, they're spawning at A. Bro. I just died to a bot. Bro, what is happening? Didn't I hit? Okay, I have 20 kills, 21 kills. That's really sad. Let me call in the Annihilator pistol. Bro, this gun is a really fun. I'm not gonna lie, but it's really fun to use. Also, the best operator skill right now in the game is still War Machine or the Death Machine. I don't know which one is the best, but Hive is also a great option. Its penetration is so high, it can even kill 3 people in one single penetrate. It has really long range. It has a sniper like range. And I died to a bot from behind. What kind of a player I am? So I couldn't upload for a few days. I forgot to upload. But so what do you guys want me to upload next? In the next video. I'm trying to get the BK57 Wild West, but I'm not able to get that. And I'm also trying to get the Nomad Wild Snake for the gameplay. But the problem, that run over and kill enemies, so annoying. And so this video is ending.